time I always find this stuff.
It couldn't be 20, could it?
Nope. That'd be too easy.
Alright.
Woo, this is bouncy.
Basketball goal centered around the origin, 0, 0 right there. And then according to Austin, this was 19.5. So take half of the diameter to get this radius, which is 9.75. To find what you're going to put in the equation, you're going to want to square that. So 9.75 squared, which is 95.0625. Get around to the nearest tenth for our sake. So the final equation over here for the basketball goal is going to be x squared plus y squared equals 95.1. Also, the points on this circle is going to be 9.75, 0, 0, 9.75, negative 9.75, 0, 0, negative 9.75. Those are the points that you're going to have along the circle.
Yeah, let me see the camera. Yeah, sure. And the light on you? Yes, no problem. Ridge right here, from ridge to ridge, and then the center, up to the top. Dude, you have the camera upside down. 20 inches in diameter. I gotta measure the height now. 3 feet. The conic shape that I chose to do was the McDonald arc. And that being said, it is a parabola. And with the measurements that I got, it was 3 feet in height and 20 feet in diameter. Cutting it in half made the top of the point, I just put in perspective of the origin, made it 10, 0. And I made the other one negative 10, 0. This point down here would be 20, negative 36. Point in the middle, 0, negative 36. And this point over here is negative 20, negative 36. Formula for any parabola would be 4p x or y. In this case, it would be y is equal to x squared. And since it is offset, because it's two arcs, this will have two different equations. For this parabola right here, it'll be x minus 10 squared. And for the other one, it'll be 4p times y is equal to x plus 10 squared. The way to find the 4p is we can take a point on the graph. The point I chose was negative 20, negative 36, this right here, and just plugged into the equation. 4p is equal to 100 by negative 36, making negative. And doing the calculations, it comes out to 2.7 repeating itself, so I'm just going to round it to negative 2.8. And for both equations, 4p will be the same, which makes the equation negative 2.8 times y is equal to x minus 10 squared, and also negative 2.8 y equals x plus 10 squared. That will give both of the parabolas. After doing this project, we've come to realize that conic shapes exist everywhere in our world. It's just a matter of finding them. Also, whenever building them, engineers have to take into account all these equations. So all the calculations to do all these conic shapes, they're applied to the structures in everyday life.